Hello. So today I'm going to teach about master page. Okay. So what is master page and what is the advantage of using master page and all? Okay, fine. So I'm opening one website. Okay. So I just want to teach you why we need a master page. Okay. So see this website. So here, if you see this header file. Okay. So this is header file. Okay. You have the logo on the left hand side. Okay. So you have the blue color on the background. Okay. And down when you go, this is called footer. Okay. And this is the content. So listen here. So I'm going to click the books. Okay. So now what happened is I'm navigating to a different page. Okay. I'm going to books. So here the header remains same. Down the footer remains same. This content is same, but the main content is filled with a list of books. Correct? And when I'm going to click on figurines, so what happened here? Again, the header same, the footer part, the footer part is same. Okay, but the main content is filled with figurines. Before it was book. Okay, so now what happens here is we have a common design with the same header, same footer, and some content remains same, and some content is keep on changing. Okay, so here, listen, see, this is a page, the figurines.html. Okay, so when I click books means what happens? It goes to books.html. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, so it's going to different books. Okay, so even though the change, right, name of the page is changing, but still the master page remains same. So what's the master page means? When if you have more than one page with same design, same header, same file, and some part of content is same, so which is common, create a master page with that design. Okay, now when you want to create a what, suppose if you want to make a login page, create login page by taking that design. If you want a welcome page, take that same design. Okay, it's like inheriting. Okay, you understand, no? Why we are going for master page? Clear? Fine. Now I'll show you how to create a master page in the Visual Studio. Okay. So yeah. So what you need to do is go to the folder APS. Okay, and click the test apps. Okay, double click, right click, open. Okay. So when you right click and open, this page will be opened. Okay. Right click on the Solution Explorer, your project name. Okay. Right click on the project name, add new item, select master page. So this is option. Select the master page and give some name for it. Okay. I'm just giving name like main master. Click add. So a master page will be created here. Okay, so this is the main master is created. Okay, so anyway, see down I'm clicking the design because there will be no design here, so I need to code. Okay, so I'm not moving to coding. Okay, okay, fine, I'll teach you one thing. Okay, so there's a lot of pages is opened here. Okay, so I need to close it. So instead of closing one by one, you can do like this. Okay, you can right click on master. See, I need only master page, I don't want any of other pages. Okay, so right click, close all but this. So master page means everything will be closed. Okay, fine. So I need to go designing. Okay, so I'm not going to design. Okay, so what I do is like I'm downloading some designs from the Google. Okay, So yeah, free master page templates. Okay, so there are a lot of websites who are giving free master page templates. Okay, so you can click the master page. Okay, now you can see a lot of options they're giving as templates. Okay, so I'm going with which design? Okay, it looks this one looks good. Okay, so I'm clicking free download. So this design will be downloaded. Okay, that's downloading here. Okay, now go to downloads. So click Control J. Okay, Control key J. So it will go to the downloads. Okay, Control X, and yes, go to your project. Okay, so I'm creating a new folder. Give the name as master page. Open it, paste it. Okay. Now I just want to extract it. Right click, extract here. Yes, it's extracting. Yes. So when you click index, double click on it, so you can see the master page design. So what I saw here, so what I downloaded. Okay. So that is loaded now. Yes. Fine. So I got the design, right? So now what I'm going to do is I want to put the same design in my Visual Studio. Okay, so inside the master page. So I need this image folder. Okay, so just copy the folder and paste it. Okay, just right click and paste. You can do like that. Okay, so just copy the folder, right click, uh, copy it, and right click, paste it. Okay, so image you'll be getting here. Okay. Next, the style sheet is that. Okay, just copy the style sheet again, right click, paste it. So now the style sheet is also added. Okay, so the style sheet means like giving the header. So what should be the header one, header two, header three features? Okay, what should be the body's margin, padding, background colors, font size? Like you can give it here. Okay, these are the called what the style sheet. Okay, dot css cascading style sheets. Okay, so yeah, actually, I'm not going in deep in HTML because the front end design is a very vast subject. Okay, and if you want to learn, means that only takes 2 3 months. Okay, and if you want to go in deep, means even takes more than that. Okay, so just what I'm telling is, I want you to concentrate more on C sharp and SQL. Okay, the front end, just learn the basics what you need for the designing a project. Okay, so I loaded my images and style sheets. Next one, I need the coding for the design. Okay, so double click on index. Okay, now right click, view page source. Okay, this is the coding. So starting from the head, you can see here something called head. Copy the code. Okay, and down you can see something called body. Down body. Okay, head to body. Copy it. Go to your Visual Studio. Go to the master page. Okay, go to down source. Remove head to body. Okay, and paste it. So yeah, this is the coding for the designing. Okay, so as I told you, I'm just copy paste it. Okay, go to design. Now you can see that the same design is coming here. Okay, no? So what is in the page, what I downloaded is now available in my Visual Studio. Okay. Next thing, I just want to update it according to my requirement. Okay. So here the solution is there. So go to source. Okay. So this solution. Okay. So just give some name. Okay. Um, like global solutions or whatever it is. Okay. So I just make it RR traders. So the name of the client. Okay. And then fine. Go to design. Okay. Now what I need is listen. This is the content one. Okay. I don't want the content. Okay. So what you have to do is go to source, find where is the content. You can see here. This is the content. Okay. So you have, I need the starting part and ending part. Okay. So in between, I just want to remove it. Okay. So what you have to do is select it. So when you put the cursor, you can see the blue color, dark blue color. This is the starting and ending. Okay. Just remove it. Okay. Select it, remove it. Again, select it, remove it. Select it, remove it. Okay. Yes. Content part is done. So now you can see that when you go to design, content is clean. Okay. Now here, at this part also, I just want to remove it. Okay. So this is sidebar. Okay. Okay, one by one. Okay. Select starting and ending part. Just remove it. Okay. You should be very careful. Okay. Because you have to close it. So instead of, if you're not closing properly, it will show error. Okay. So starting and ending, you should remove. Okay. Now the sidebar is also gone. Okay. Fine. So down, you can give your company name. Okay. So copyright. Okay. Studio one. Okay. All reserved. Yeah. What you want to give. Okay. Your company name, you can give it. Okay. Fine. Now the master page is done. Now I want to create the pages, like login page means user ID password will come. A welcome page means like the name of the navigation page will come. The sales page means details of the sales. Like that, I want to design it. Okay. So before that, I will make a small mistake and I will teach you something. Okay. I want to make a mistake and I will teach you what is the mistake. Okay. So now I want creating a page. So right click, add new item. I'm going to create a page using master page. Okay. So before I was clicking web form, but this time web form using master page. Okay. I just give a name like temp file, okay, temp page, click add, select main master, click OK. So when you click the design down, when you click the design, okay, it has the same master page design. Okay, the same design is coming. So as I told you, I want to make it as a login page. So what I need two label and two text box, right? So when I'm trying to drag and drop a label, see, I type label, I'm dragging it here. So what happened? I cannot paste it here. See, you can see the red, I mean, the black mark. Okay, so you cannot drag and drop. Why? Because I made a mistake here. Listen, I know my content should be in this part, but the computer don't know. So I need to tell that the content should come here, this part. Okay, so go to source. Okay, so this is the content part. Okay, div content. Here, create a form. Form. So give some name for the form. Run at server and there's something called content placeholder. Just drag and drop it here. Okay. Once you drag and drop the content placeholder, so now the computer knows I want to put my content, the label, everything inside the content placeholder. Okay. So I'm creating a new page now. Right click, add, new item. I just give like a home page. I click add. Okay, again, master page. Click OK. So now the home page I can drag and drop label. So I put label, I just dragging and dropping, I can paste it here. See? So again, I can drag and drop it. I can put text boxes. So you understand? No? Clear? Okay. So this is the master page. Okay, now I want to create another page. Right click, add, new item. Web form using master page. I just give it as page 2. Okay, click add. Same master page. So the page 2 is also having the same. Okay, I'll put a button here. Okay, I'm creating one more page. Right click, add, new item. Before using master page, I'll just give page 3. Okay, fine. So yeah, so I created 2 pages. Oh, sorry, total 3 pages. Okay, including home page. Okay, I'm removing everything. Okay, I put button here. Okay, fine. So I want to write a code to navigate from home page to page 2. Okay, so what you have to do, double click on button, response dot redirect to which page? Page 2.aspx. This is the coding. Okay. Now go to page 2, double click on button, response dot redirect to page 3.aspx. Okay, this way page 2. Yeah, so the home page. Yeah, the home page I'm navigating to page 2, and in the page 2 I'm going to navigate to page 3. Okay, let me load it and I will tell you what I'm doing. Okay. So right click on home page, right click, view in browser. So now what I did is I created 3 pages: home page, page 2, page 3. Everything has same master page. Okay, the background color, this menu bar down, what you have, this page, the footer part, everything is same, but the content will be changing. Okay, so content means like see this, I'm going to load home page right now. Okay, so I'll show you what's happening now. Okay, so see on the top, this is home page. Okay, so it's taking a little time. Yeah, so when I click button, it is navigating to page 2. Okay, now you can see here page 2. Okay, so but the header file, the footer file, copyright, everything, the view and background color is changing. Okay, so when I click button, it just navigate to page 3. You can see here, it is page 3. Okay, so you understand now. So what is the master page? Okay, so when you're creating your project, yeah, the login page will go, home page, then welcome page, everything will come, right? Okay, fine. So I'm going to design a login page right now. Okay, so here what I need is I need in a alignment. So last class I teach you that. Okay, I told you that I will be teaching today. So how to give alignment? So there is a table in this one. Okay, I mean like not the SQL table. In HTML also we can have a table. Okay. See for example, I'll create a login page here. Okay, right click, add new item, web form using master page. Okay, I just give it as login page. Click add. So main master. Click OK. So yes, and yes, I'll go to the designing part. I take two labels. Label one for ID and label two for the password. Okay, so two text boxes I need. Text box one, text box two, and I need a button here. Okay, so right click, properties. For the button, just give the name like insert, and label one, give the name ID, and give it as password. Okay, yeah, so right click, view in browser. So now you can see that see ID has only two characters. So the first line will be little small, and the second line the password little lengthy. Okay. Yes. So you see here, this is not in a proper alignment. So what I need in a proper alignment. ID should password should come, and this text box I need is straight alignment. Okay. So for that, I need to give a table or table in HTML. Okay. So actually, this is in the table form, right? Okay. Let me explain with Excel. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So listen, I have ID, I have a password. Okay, and I have a text box. I have one more text box here, and I need a button. So I just give like submit or login button. It's not insert, actually it should be login or submit. Okay, that will change here. Go to properties. Okay. Login. Yeah. So listen, actually this is a table form, right? This is a table. It has three rows, row 1, row 2, and row 3. Also, each row has two data. This is TD1, this is TD2. Okay, we have three rows and each one have two data, and this have only one data. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to create a table here. Go to source. Okay, table. I need three rows, correct? This is row 1, second row, third row. Okay, Fine. The first row, I have two data, right? One is label, one is text box. So here, TD, TD1 and TD2. Okay, and inside the second row also again, TD1, TD2, and last one I need only one TD, only for one button. Okay, so that's the reason that last row just put TD. Okay, now the first row, first TD, I need a label. Okay, so the down we have the label here. Okay, this is the label. So that cut it and paste it here. Okay, so we do have the design. This will be more easy. Okay, fine. So yeah, this is the text box. I just want to drag and put it here. Okay, better I will do from the source only. Okay, so cut it and paste it inside the second TD. Okay, TD1, TD2. Okay, now second row again the label for a password. Cut it and put it in the first TD, and again second TD is there, so just cut it and put it in the TD, and finally we have button. Cut it and paste it here. Okay, we have only one TD here. Okay, fine. So go to design. Now this is in straight line, right? Right click, view in browser. Now you can see that uh, the name, ID, and text will be the label, and yeah, text will be in straight line. Before it was like it was going little further inside. Okay, now it is different. Okay, fine. So what I'm teaching is that when I click login, I need to go to home page. Okay, so double click on login. Response dot redirect to home page. Home page dot aspx. Okay, so go to login page. Right click, view in browser. Okay, I'm not giving any user ID password. Okay, that I will teach you later. Okay, how to log in. Okay, click login page. Yeah, just go into home page now. Okay, so there's a logical mistake here, sir. Okay, so like how come we can see this blog and all? Okay, see for example, when you are login, it should be. I don't want any value here. Okay, once you log in, then I want to display here. So what you had to do for that is you had to create one more master page. That's it. Okay, so what you had to do, right click, add new item, master page. Okay, just give name as login master. Okay, don't no need to give the extension, just click add. So yes, okay, now we have to go to this my previous master page. Okay, take source. So as I told you, starting from head to body. Yes, starts head to body. Okay, so the body will be here. Don't, okay, just copy it. Go to login master. Again, start heading to body. Remove it, paste it, save it. And here, see this top part, menu. Okay, you can see here the menu. We have home, blog, about. So just remove it. Okay, so I make it as a comment line here. See on the top, you can see that green plus. Okay, make it so it's a comment line. Okay, now what happened? It's gone. Okay, and this name, that is login.master. This name I need to give for login page. So click on the login page, go to source on the top, instead of main master, just give as login master. So what happened? This will call login master. So in the login master, as I told you, I don't have any value here. So that will be adapted for login page. Okay. So yes, login.aspx, click on design, right click, view in browser. Okay, so there's a login message. Now you can see it. There's no home, blog, and all. So once it is clicking login, it goes to home page where you will get these things. Okay, so yeah, so one logical mistake is when I click the back button and when I click this button, it can go without login. Okay, now I don't have the user ID password. Okay, but when I click the back button, forward button, it'll go to welcome page. Okay, so to stop this one, we need to use sessions and all. Okay, so I will teach you that in deep. Okay, so we need to go for data reader and all for those features. Yeah, once I teach you data reader, once I teach you data session, then I will teach this part. Okay, so yeah, so that's all. Okay, this is all about the master page designing and all. Okay, so keep practicing this one. Okay, you can download a lot of master pages out there in the Google. Okay, just to practice it, download it and practice it. Okay, and if you need any help, just WhatsApp me. Okay, my number I have given them down. Okay, thank you.